Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to send photos in high quality on WhatsApp. We start by opening a conversation in the WhatsApp app. Next, within it, we click on Attach, and then we are going to click on Gallery to search for the image or video that we want to send. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Once we select it, we will see a top icon called HD and we click on it. Here we can choose the quality with which we want to send our content, this time in high quality. Once our content is configured, we can send it. We will see that this process applies to both photo and video files. We will see that when sending content in high quality, the HD icon appears at the bottom. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.